Hi! Happy morning to all my sweet little angels. Students, what we are doing these days? हम writing practice कर रहे हैं because writing is so important. If we write well, neat and clean, then we will get stars, ice creams, right? We will get very good from our teacher, from mummy, right? So we should have good handwriting. So now let us continue with our cursive writing. Come. So students, what is this? This is letter E. This is letter E. E for egg. E for eagle. E egg. E eagle. So now we will see how we will write it. See, this is E, right? So how we will write? We will take from this line, go up, take a loop to the first blue line, take a curve to the second blue line and then a curve. This is E. This is E. Let us practice it again. Where will we start from? This blue line. See. From the first blue line, go up to the red line, take a curve, and this is E. How we have done that? First we will go to first red line. Here we will take a loop. Then go to second line and a curve. This is E. See, this is E. Let us try again. From this line go upward, then a loop. In a cursive writing, we write all the letters in cursive way. See, there are so many curves here, right? So why are there so many curves here? Because it makes writing easy and we can write in a speed, right? Let us try it again. E, go up, down, curve and around. Let us try it again. From here, go up, take a loop, again take a curve and around. This is E. Let us try it again. From the blue line, go up, take a round and this is E. Right? Now let us see again. From this blue line, go up, take a curve. This is E. Now let us see the next letter. This is small e. This is small e. How will we write small e? Start from this line. Start from this line, the second blue line, go up and down. This is E. This is E. Let us try it again. From the blue line, from the second blue line, go up, take a round. This is E. This is E. This is E. 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 Right? This is E. E. So students, how we write E? As I explained you, we will start from the blue line, the first blue line. Go up, take a curve, come to the first blue line again, then take a round, curve and a in. This is E. Let us try again. Go up to the red line, come down to blue line, take a curve and this is E. See, I have written here. Go up. This is E. E. Why is important to write? Practice makes us perfect. A proper curve, right? E कैसे लिखते हैं? See here. Go up to the red line, take a curve and in. This is E. From the blue line, go up to the red line, take a loop, then around and in. This is E. So students, you have to complete this page and have practice in your notebook. Now let us see small e. Small e, where we will start from the baseline. This is called baseline. Start from here, take a small loop and out. Start from here, take a small loop and out. Start from the blue line, take a small loop and out. Start from this blue line, go to first blue line and out. So students, complete it, right? So now let us see F. So F, where you will start? You start from here, red line. Take a small curve to this red line, go down and then a small curvy line. This is F. This is F. We write capital letters in all capital letters in 3 lines. See. This is F. This is F. Now this is F. Now let us see the small f. Where we will start from? The baseline. Start from the baseline, go up, take a loop, come down to the second red line. Then again take a loop and out. Start from the blue line, go up to the red line, come down and a loop. Go up, loop, come down, again a loop and out. Go up, come down, again a loop and out. Go up, come down and out. Up, down and out. Go up, come down and out. Go up, come down, a loop and out. So students, what you have to do? You have to complete this, but with good handwriting. Try to note your mistakes. Where you make the mistake, try to rectify it. रिपीट नहीं करना है मिस्टेक को हमको सही करना है. सही से करेंगे तो हमारी राइटिंग भी अच्छी होगी, है ना? ठीक है, विल मीट लेटर विथ न्यू वीडियो. ओके, टिल देन बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू. What is this? F. F for fan. F for fish. So students, how will we write F? किसी को पता है? Anyone knows? Let us see. We'll start from this line, the red line. Then a little curve to the red line, a curve to red line, then go down and a curve. Then on the first blue line, make a curve. This is F. Come on, do it again. Start from the red line, curve, go down to the blue line, have a curve, then line. This is curvy line. This is F. How will write it? Come on, let us see again. Start from this line, go down, take a curve, and on a blue line, a small line, it is F, right? What is the phonic sound of F? We have done the phonic sound. Try to recall. F. 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 So students, this is F, cursive F. Now let us see the small f. This is cursive F. This is cursive F, right? Now let us see the small f. This is small f. Where we are starting from? We are starting from the second blue line, right? We are starting from the second blue line. How we will go there? Go up, take a loop, go down to red line, take a loop again and out. This is F. From the blue line, go up, take a loop, go down to red line, take a loop in the center and out. This is F. Again, go up, take a loop to the red line, go down, take another loop, then a small curve outside. This is F. Again, this is F. This is F. F for fish. F for frog. Right, this is where we will start F from? From the second blue line to the red line, then go down to the second red line, out and a curve and a out, right? This is F. So students, write these letters in your book. We'll meet later with new alphabets, with the next alphabets, new video, new topic. Till then, bye. God bless you.